Creating a Facebook remarketing campaign by using Facebook sources. Hello there, everyone. Let's now create some killer remarketing campaigns by using Facebook sources. Video. Let's start by creating a remarketing campaign to retarget video viewers. With this campaign, we'll retarget users that watched at least 50% of one of our videos with a different video. So we'll select video views as our marketing objective. After selecting this objective, move to the ad set section and enter a name for the new ad set. Now click on the Custom Audiences field and select your custom video audience from the list. Now scroll down. Set up this campaign's placements and budget, and click on Continue. Next, enter a name for your new ad. Now upload your video. And then enter your ad text and links. Review your ad setup and click on Confirm to finish. Lead form. Let's now create a remarketing campaign to target users from a custom lead form audience. In this example, we are going to select lead generation as the marketing objective to retarget users that didn't submit our first lead gen form, this time with a different lead gen form. After selecting this objective, move to the ad set section and enter a name for this new ad set. Now select the Facebook page that you'll promote. Next, click on the Custom Audiences field and select your custom lead form audience from the list. Now scroll down and set up this campaign's placements and budget. Then click on Continue. Next, enter a name for your new ad. Select an ad format and media. And then enter your ad text and links. Now move to the Instant Form section and select the lead form that you'll show to your custom audience. Review your ad setup, and then click on Confirm to launch the campaign. Instant Experience. Now let's create a remarketing campaign to retarget people who clicked on a link in one of our Instant Experience posts. These users have shown interest in visiting our website, so we'll select traffic as our marketing objective. After selecting this objective, move to the ad set section and enter a name for the new ad set. Website is already selected as the traffic destination, so simply click on the Custom Audiences field and select your custom Instant Experience audience from the list. Now set up the campaign's placements and budget, and click on Continue. Next, enter a name for your new ad and start creating your ad creative. In this example, we will click on Use Existing Post to select a popular page post with a link to our website. Next, review your ad setup and click on Confirm to finish. Instagram Business Profile. Let's now create a remarketing campaign to retarget Instagram users that have interacted with their Facebook posts and ads. Because these users have shown an interest in our social media presence, we'll select engagement as our marketing objective and post engagement as the goal. After selecting the objective, move to the ad set section. Enter a name for the ad set. Now click on the Custom Audiences field to select your custom Instagram Business Profile audience from the list. Now select Placements and set up the budget. Then click on Continue. On the next page, enter a name for your new ad. Then click on Select Post and pick a popular post to engage Instagram users. Click on Confirm to finish. Events. Now it is time to create a remarketing campaign to retarget users that have visited your event pages. Because these users have shown an interest in our event yet didn't engage or convert, we are going to select engagement as our marketing objective and event responses as our goal. After selecting the objective, move to the ad set section. First, enter the name of this new ad set. Now click on the Custom Audiences field and select your custom events audience from the list. Now select your ad placements, set up your budget, and click on Continue. Now enter a name for your new ad. Then select the page where you posted your event. Now upload an event image or video to use on your ad. Now enter your ad text in the primary text field and your event URL in the event field. Review your ad setup and click on Confirm to launch this campaign. Facebook page. Lastly, let's create a remarketing campaign to retarget users who visited our Facebook page. Because these users didn't engage or like our page, we are going to select engagement as our marketing objective and page likes as our goal. Move to the ad set section after selecting the objective. Enter a name for your new ad set, and then select the Facebook page that you will promote in the Facebook page menu. Now click on the Custom Audience field and select your custom Facebook page audience from the list. Now select your placements and set up your budget. Then click on Continue. Now enter a name for your new ad. Now move to the Media section and upload an image or video to promote your page. Then enter your ad copy into the primary text field. Review your ad setup and click on Confirm to launch your campaign.